first thing we do in this recipe is saute these oyster mushrooms and keep it aside before we prepare the rest of it.
Is that enough oil?
Yeah, that's enough oil. That's fine. Now throw in the oyster mushrooms, madam.
Slave driver.
There comes the oyster mushrooms. Beautiful fresh oyster mushrooms. Saute these. We're just going to saute these beautiful fresh oyster mushrooms.
Why are they called oyster mushrooms?
I guess because
They don't look like oysters. Think they taste like oysters? इसमें नमक डालना है?
नहीं. Sauteing the oyster mushrooms, you have to do it on a bit of a high fire, because if you do it on low, any mushrooms, they'll end up releasing a lot of water and become very mushy, and I don't like that. So this is the part where we take a departure from slow fire cooking and just stir fry these mushrooms. The head chef is not very serious.
ज़रा मुस्कुरा दे. Cooking man, cooking.
Alright,
Okay, done?
that's enough. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Amit's recipe for oyster oyster mushroom with noodles and chili oyster sauce. So Amit's going to be dictating terms while I do the hard work. Is that enough oil?
Yeah, the oil is enough, but the recipe is called oyster mushroom asparagus noodles in chili oyster sauce.
Okay, I stand corrected.
Kindly put the garlic.
Garlic what?
Saute the garlic till it gets cooked a little. So these were around 10 odd birds.
10 cloves of garlic.
10 cloves of garlic, finely chopped.
Sliced actually, not in chopped.
Alright, finely sliced.
It's on slow fire, huh?
Now that our garlic is nicely brown, we'll add some onions. So there'll be red onions and there'll be white portion of the spring onions, the green onions. The green portion we'll add later. Just saute this till it changes color. So we are doing this, this jugalbandi kind of recipe thing. Like the recipe is mine, it's being cooked by head chef Simanti, and I'm shooting it. And the reason is because I much rather shoot.
You mean you don't want me to shoot basically because I'm horrible with the camera?
No comments.
No salt on this?
No, not as yet. We'll check the seasoning right in the end, because there'll be sauces going in, all of which already have some amount of salt and sodium in it. So we'll check the seasoning right in the end. In case it's required, we'll add the salt, otherwise no need.
Okay.
So now that the onions are nice and pink, we are going to add the peppers, the mixed peppers, yellow and some red, and the asparagus.
I've cut them like this. It's fine, no?
This is fine, yeah. And we'll just saute it for a minute or two. So So we'll add oyster sauce now. Soya sauce, dark soya sauce.
We do a little less because
No, no.
dark.
And are we adding hot chili sauce
This is
that is
jhal,
made
yeah?
at home?
This is jhal.
Yeah, it's spicy and it's got a vinegary taste. It's also got a little oil in it.
So then you want chili flakes as well?
Yeah, a little chili flakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. To balance the taste off, we're adding honey. So nice forest honey. We bought this in
see.
we bought this in Kodaikanal mountains. And now we'll add the greens of the spring onions.
How much? You want me to put all of it?
Yeah, all of it, please.
That's very green.
Yes. Greens are good for you. And now we'll just mix it all together and saute the thing for another minute or so.
Smelling good.
Alright, now time to add back the oyster mushrooms and mix it all together.
They actually do smell like oysters.
Look at all the beautiful colors coming together.
Should I increase the flame?
Yeah, okay. A bit.
Should I taste it?
Okay, taste it to check the seasoning.
You can add salt.
Alright, add a little salt at this time.
Salt.
Stir it and then add the noodles. So we have to take care that we don't overcook the vegetables in this, the veggies in this, and not make them lose their color. Then it's no fun. And in any case, most of the Chinese food, you're not supposed to overcook it. And that goes for the noodles as well. Don't overboil them. Yeah. And now the mixing part.
So normally those guys on the street would be tossing the pan up and down. But since we are not practiced, at least I am not practiced.
So mix it well. Please mix it well. Yeah.
Mixing.
So while mixing it, you have to be careful that you're able to mix it really well, so that the noodles and the veggies get mixed nicely, and also that the noodles are nicely laced with all the sauces and all the flavors.
We should actually have 2 forks.
I think
Yes, you think what? Okay, mix.
alright. So that's it. That's the recipe. Easy to do. Wholesome, hearty, nice hakka chow with some good greens, asparagus, oyster mushrooms, and some really flavorful sauces.
Peppers. You forgot the
Peppers, of course.
And you forgot my beautiful homemade chili oil.
Chili oil, of course, sauces.
Chili sauce. you.